We loaded several types of files in Python with Pandas in the previous lectures, and all these files that we loaded had a similar thing between them. That was, they all had a header row. So that first row there is referred to as a header because it's not part of the values, but it's a row that gives names to all the columns. So it says that the first column is the ID column, address for the second column, and so on. And magically Python Pandas understood that, and so it gives you this first row here, which is a special row. So it gives you a special meaning, which is a header. Now sometimes you might have data that don't have a header, just like those in here. So data.txt. If you load that, and print it out, you'll see that the first value of those data is being assigned as a header, and we don't want that. So in that case, if you know that the data don't have a header, then you should say header equals to none. And in that case, Python will give you, again, it will always give you a header, but in this case, it will give you just a default header, which is made of numbers. So all your rows will be assigned as values. This is very important because when you do, for example, let's say later we'll learn how to do things, let's say if you do the sum of column 6, you want in that sum to all the values of all the rows to be included. So these values have to be in rows which are normal rows, not header rows, such as in this case here. So number 8 would not be included in the sum that we'll do for this last column. Therefore, in this case, you have to say header none, and then you'd ask, how do we assign columns to those data, because we didn't have the columns already in the file, so we need to find a way to assign them in Python. I'll show you how to do that in the next lecture.